Alexa, what is Sopapilla?
According to Wikipedia, a sopaipilla, sopapilla, sopaipa, or cachanga is a kind of fried pastry and a type of quick bread served in several regions with Spanish heritage in the Americas. The word Sopapilla is the diminutive of sopaipa, a word that entered Spanish from the Mozarabic language of Al-Andalus.
Welcome back to Pinoy Tina's Journey USA. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today we will be cooking Sopaipilla, or whatever you're gonna say it. So here is our ingredients. We have in any order. Okay, we have the Crescent Dough Sheets, we have the sugar, we have two different sugar, for the first toppings. We're gonna have to mix for the cream cheese, and we have the butter, we have the cinnamon first there, and the vanilla. There you go, the dough sheets to the crescent, and we have the honey. So first thing we have to do is we have to dust the pan with cooking spray or any cooking spray. I use olive oil or the butter spray oil. Then after that, make sure it's fully coated, and then we have to roll the first crescent dough sheets. That's the first base. And I'm just gonna show you how, to open this crescent dough sheets that I bought from, grocery store. Actually, I just made a little mistake about this. I should have started from the very top edge of the pan. But it's okay. I just pulled a little bit over to the side. There you go. Then make sure cover the whole pan, and after that we have to go to the next process. First we have to do the mixture of the cream cheese. I mixed with a full bar of cream cheese, and it's still a cream cheese, but it's a whipped spread. It's still the same, it's cream cheese, and I mixed it with a little bit of 1 tablespoon of sour cream. That's my secret right there, sour cream, and added 1 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla, and we have the honey. Just maybe 1 tablespoon. You can do it more. Then we have to make sure it's well blended or mixed well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below for any suggestions. Yeah, I'm gonna use the blender this time. Just want to make sure that it's mixed well. So just a heads up, this mixture we'll be using this at the bottom part of Sopapilla or Sopaipilla. Then after that, so we have to pour it to the pan and equally distributed, level. Using the spatula or anything that you can use to level this toppings or mixture. There you go, it's ready. So our bottom part is ready, or the first process is ready. Then we have to put the next or the second layer of crescent dough sheets. So this time I'll make sure that I started from the very top edge of the pan, roll it down. So it's just perfect for me, yeah. There you go. Then after this process, we're going to the next layer On top of that dough sheets, we have to put the cinnamon mixture. So we have the 1/2 cup of sugar mixed with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then we're making sure that it's properly blended or mixed well too before we sprinkle it on top of our Sopaipilla. It's ready to sprinkle. Make sure it's properly coated and balance the sugar and the cinnamon. We are almost or more than half of the process. Stay tuned. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Pinoy Tina's Journey USA. Then we have to put the butter. We have to put it equally. It's a 1/2 cup or less. I think I used more than of this. It's fine. I want it buttery. Then after that, we have to glaze the with honey. That's why our recipe for today is honey glazed Sopapilla cheesecake bars. This is so yummy and it's very addictive, you know. I really love this dessert. Then we have to set up our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We have to put now inside the oven, right in the middle. And we have to set up the oven. We'll cook it for 35 minutes. Start. This is how it looks like inside the oven. And a few minutes later, we have the best Sopapilla cheesecake bars. It's almost ready, but before we can cut this or slice this, we have to put it on the counter for like 25 minutes to cool down. There you go. This is so yummy and delicious. So now, after 25 minutes, we can put it inside the fridge or ref. And we have to cool down for at least 1 hour or 2 before we slice it into bars. There you go. That is after 2 hours actually. So cheesy, so healthy because of the honey. I hope you're enjoying this video and try to share it with your friends. It's a good recipe or a good dessert after your dinner. Don't forget to hit the like for this video. There you go. See that? Oh, it's so yummy. Presenting to you my dessert for the day. We have the Sopaipilla or Sopapilla honey glazed Sopapilla cheesecake bars. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.